From one of the first fiberglass sailboat ever built in the history to this, the Lazzara 84, a legacy of comfort, innovation and design. Right from the bow, you can see the attention to details. The side decks walk around makes moving easy and safe. You have plenty of area where to share with our friends and guests. The aft deck is an entertainer's dream. Plenty of space for dining and hanging out. Everything is designed for comfort and to make time outside easy and fun. Wow! This 84-foot Lazzara has the same volume of a 100-footer yacht, offering light, space, and luxury, everything together in the same place. Perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the life on board. The galley on the Lazzara 84 is both spacious and functional. Ample counter space and plenty of smart storage make meal preparation easy. Now I am driving from the helm station inside. I have my ABT stabilizers on that keeps the boat always smooth and comfortable for everyone on board, making every trip comfortable and effortless. The Lazzara 84 sleeps up to 10 guests in 5 staterooms. The master suite is full beam with panoramic views and abundant natural light. Every cabin has thoughtful storage, ensuring comfort on extended trips. Now we are at the heart of the yacht, the engine room. This vessel is powered with twin Caterpillar C32, recently overhauled and now with only 50 hours, delivering both power and reliability. Up on the flybridge, you got an amazing views and plenty of space where to relax. You also have a hot tub, bar, and a dining table to get everyone together in the same area. From the helm station at the flybridge, you have a very good visibility and view of the entire boat. From the helm, you have a complete control with a state-of-the-art navigation system. Whether you're cruising in closed areas or heading offshore. I am Captain Randy, and this 84-foot masterpiece is more than a yacht. It's a home on the water. If this speaks to you, come on board and I will help you to live the dream.